Hello, today is December 26th. I'm here at the Long Beach property. I got a message from one of the tenants. He said there's no heating, so I'm gonna go check it out. So probably might be the same situation with the Lomita property. The filter has not been changed for a long time, so probably it's covered with a lot of dust. So I'm gonna go check it out. It's very quiet. Okay, this is the unit. Saying they're saying there's no heat, so the warm air is not coming out of the vent. So I'm gonna go check it out. Hello. Oh, the thermostat is not. Huh. Thermostat is not working. Shit. I just realized that battery is dead, so we need to replace the battery. It's blinking to replace the battery. The tenants even know what's going on. It's a little dumb. Okay, so I guess let me see. Let me see if I can turn it on. Yeah. Let me see if it's gonna work. Oh, we have a leak. I don't know what happened here. Huh. Okay. Okay, I just found out that one of the ceiling tile has been fell off. It was raining on Christmas Day. It was not that heavy, just light raining, but still we had a. It looks like there was a leak, and I just talked to the tenants. She says the stain was not there until yesterday. It looks like it's a new stain. So okay, I think I'm gonna call Rick and find out what's going on. Okay, I gotta clean this one up. Clean up the area. Oh, what? What happened? Battery? No battery? Oh. Huh. The lights, I thought we already fixed, but the lights are not, it's still on, so we gotta find out what's going on. So probably that's the sensor to control the automatic light. So I'm gonna just go check it out. Oh, oh my gosh, that was the one. Okay, the lights are. Oh my, wow. Okay, the lights are off now. So obviously that's a sensor. So touch and glow photoelectric switch. Okay, perfect. So I just cleaned this area. This is the where the lights are coming through. So when it's bright, so it automatically turn off the light. But it was covered with the dust. So, and also the plastic cover is kind of yellowish. So we probably have to replace only this part. But we'll see. Yeah. Okay. Perfect. Now I'm gonna go get the new battery for the Tenant and put the new battery on the thermostat. And also I'm gonna find out the condition of the filters on the roof and see if we have to replace the filter and cleaning the coils maybe. Yeah, we might need a maintenance. I just came back with a new battery and noticed that you see the light? It just came back on. It's interesting. Oh my gosh. So I guess we gotta change the part. Huh. This is weird. Okay. So I think we gotta change that part. Huh, interesting.